Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial we'll see how to upgrade your BIOS or how to flash your BIOS. We don't need any kind of downloading any kind of files, just restart your computer. Here we will go into your BIOS, click delete or F2. We'll go to the advanced mode, press F7 or click on advanced mode. After that we'll go to the tools, select tools, and here we will select this first option, which is ASUS EZ Flash 3 utility. It helps to update our BIOS. You can update via USB, but we'll use internet to get latest update. You must provide an internet connection without any kind of interruption. Select your internet connection and click on next. It will automatically download BIOS files according to your motherboard configurations. It is downloading BIOS. Our file is successfully downloaded, and click on yes to update your BIOS. Its version is 12.05. Now our BIOS is updating. Here we have successfully updated our BIOS. Now we will restart our system. Check out, our BIOS is successfully updated. It is saying press F1 to enter setup to recover BIOS settings. If you do want to change your BIOS settings, now you can make changes or just exit from the BIOS and go to your Windows. Thank you for watching. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.